Hi, everyone. I'm Sarah. Welcome back to Coffee Shop English, a calm, friendly place to practice the language you need for real cafes. Today, we're going to use a simple cafe dialogue as our map, and we'll stop, explain, and practice the most useful lines. Daniel is with me. Hi, Daniel.
Hey, Sarah. Hi, listeners. I'm Daniel. I used to manage cafes and train baristas, so I'll add an insider's view on what usually happens behind the counter. Ready?
Yes, let's start with a very small, cold read of the dialogue. Just a few lines. Listen and notice the short, useful phrases. Barista. Hello, can I help you? Customer. Yes, please. Barista. What do you want? Customer. I want coffee. Barista. Do you want hot coffee or iced coffee? Customer. Hot coffee, please.
Nice. Those are short lines, and they are the heart of ordering. Now, Sarah, can you slow that down and repeat the key phrases for our learners?
Sure, I'll say them slowly and clearly. Hello, can I help you? Yes, please. What do you want? I want coffee. Do you want hot coffee or iced coffee? Hot coffee, please.
Good. Now, a quick note. Native speakers often say, "What would you like?" or "What can I get you today?" These are softer than "What do you want?" But for beginners, "I want" is simple and useful. Sarah, can you show a softer version?
Yes. Try, I'd like a coffee, please. Or, could I have a coffee, please? Notice the words I'd like and could I have. They sound very polite and are excellent next steps after I want. Repeat after me. I'd like a coffee, please.
Let me add a practical tip from behind the counter. After you order, staff often ask about size and milk. They might say, "What size do you want?" or "We have small, medium, and large." At many cafes, you'll also hear size names like tall, grande, venti. That's common at a certain chain, but small, medium, large works everywhere.
Okay, learners, that's a great moment to practice answering. You can say, I want a small coffee, or more politely, I'd like a small coffee, please. Daniel, a lot of our listeners worry about for here or to go. Can you explain that phrase?
Sure. For here or to go means do you want to drink here or take it with you? In Canada and the US, staff often ask this. Other versions are for here or takeout, or in the UK, eat in or take away. If you don't know, you can ask, "What does that mean?" like the learner in our dialogue did. It's okay to ask for clarification.
Yes. Say, what does that mean? And the staff can answer simply, do you want to drink here or take it with you? Say that slowly with me. Do you want to drink here or take it with you?
Now let's talk about names and calling orders. In many North American cafes, staff write a name on the cup and call the name when the drink is ready. So they might ask, "What is your name?" And you say, "My name is Anna." Then later, "Anna, your coffee is ready." This can feel strange at first.
Right. Practice those lines. What is your name? My name is Anna. And when you hear your name called, that's your cue to pick up your drink. Daniel, can you describe the waiting area and the phrase, Where do I wait from the dialogue?
Sure, a customer might ask, "Where do I wait?" And staff will say, "You can wait over there," or point to a pickup shelf. If you need Wi-Fi, you can ask, "Do you have Wi-Fi here?" And they may say yes and give the password. Often, it's written on the wall next to the menu. If you can't see it, say, "I can't see it," and they'll point it out.
Great! Small phrase practice. Do you have Wi-Fi here? What is the password? The password is on the wall. Say each line slowly and clearly. It's okay to ask.
Another common moment is the bathroom. In the dialogue, the learner asks, "Do you have the bathroom?" That's understandable, but more natural is there a bathroom? Or, "Where is the bathroom?" In the US, people often say restaurant or bathroom. In the UK, they might say toilet or loo. So if you're unsure, say, "Excuse me, where is the bathroom?" and point if needed.
Yes, practice. Excuse me, where is the bathroom? It's in the back, on the right. These little questions help you get comfortable in cafes. I know it can feel scary, but simple lines work.
Let's move to payment. In the dialogue, the barista says, "Okay, that's $3." Then later, the customer asks, "Can I pay with card?" And the barista says, "Yes, you can." Learners often ask, "Where do I put my card?" And the staff says, "Put it here." Point to the card terminal and say, "Like this?" Then staff confirms, "Yes, perfect." It's a small, practical interaction.
And the phrase, "here you go," is so useful. Use it when you give something, money, a card, or even napkins. Practice. Here you go. Do you need a receipt? No, thank you. Simple and polite.
We also see the language of time. Your coffee will be ready soon. And questions like, "How long do I wait?" The barista might answer, "About 3 minutes," or "In 5 minutes." The dialogue uses will for future. Your coffee will be ready soon. That's the natural way to say it.
Yes, and safety language too. Someone asks, "Excuse me, is this coffee hot?" And the staff says, "Yes, be careful." Practice. Be careful. It's hot. That short warning is important.
Let's talk about food and condiments. The dialogue covers menu questions. Do you have food here? Yes, we have sandwiches and cake. Then, what kinds do you have? We have cheese, chicken, and vegetable. If you want ketchup, the barista asks, "Do you want ketchup with your sandwich?" And you can say, "Yes, please." It's a predictable pattern. Do you want X with your Y?
Great pattern. Repeat with me. Do you want ketchup with your sandwich? Yes, please. These short exchanges build confidence. Daniel, many teachers use role play with this dialogue. Can you explain why role play is so helpful?
Absolutely. Role play lets learners practice turn-taking, politeness, and pronunciation in realistic contexts. Teachers often have students read the dialogue, then act it out from memory, then change details, like order a tea instead of coffee, change prices, or ask different questions. It's low pressure and very practical.
Right, and the dialogue is perfect for high beginner learners because sentences are short and vocabulary is concrete. Coffee, sandwich, water, bathroom. We can also show small corrections, like moving from "I want" to I'd like when the student is ready. Small changes, big effect.
Quick cultural note. Cafes in North America often have self-serve water, and the sign might say, "Help yourself." That means you can take a cup and fill it, free. Also, many cafes write names on cups and call the name. These small cultural points can feel surprising, so practicing them in class or listening to dialogues helps.
Okay, 2 short tips for listeners. 1. Memorize these small scripts. Can I help you? For here or to go? I'd like a small coffee, please. 2. Don't be afraid to ask, "What does that mean?" Or, "Excuse me, where is the bathroom?" Asking is part of learning. You will sound fine.
And one final practical barista tip. If you want the same drink again, say, "I want the same coffee." Or, more naturally, "I'll have the same again, please." For refills, some places say, "Can I have a refill?" But that can mean a cheaper top-up, not a full new drink. Small vocabulary differences matter.
Before we finish, let's do a short practice role play. I'll be the barista, and Daniel, you be the customer. Ready? Barista. Hello, can I help you? Hi, I'd like a small hot coffee, please. Barista. For here or to go? For here. Do you have Wi-Fi? Yes, the password is on the wall. Thank you. That's all. Barista. Okay, that's $3. Here you go. Barista. Thank you. Your coffee will be ready soon. Nice.
Nice! That was clean and simple. Learners, try that at home with a friend. Change one thing each time. Size, drink, food. It helps build automatic responses.
And remember, teachers use this dialogue to practice grammar too. Yes, no questions like, "Do you want sugar?" And W questions like, "What is your name?" These patterns repeat in many real situations, not just cafes. You're building skills for everyday life.
Before we close, a short list of must-learn phrases. Can I help you? I'd like or I want. For here or to go. Where is the bathroom? Do you have Wi-Fi? Here you go, and enjoy your coffee. Memorize and practice them.
That's a lovely list. Thanks so much, Daniel. And thank you, listeners. Go practice one short line today. Try saying, "I'd like a small coffee, please," out loud. It's small, but it will help your confidence.
Yes, one small step. Come back next time when we unpack more phrases and role plays from the Café dialogue. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone. You can find links to the lesson sources on our show page if you want to study more. See you soon.